In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off or on LinkedIn messaging read receipts. Whether you're aiming to be more discreet about when you've read a message or you're wanting to be more open with your connections, adjusting your read receipts can be essential for tailoring your communication style on LinkedIn. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can swiftly make this adjustment without any hassle. First, you'll need to open your favorite web browser and navigate to LinkedIn's website at linkedin.com. Once there, if you're not already logged in, you'll want to sign in. LinkedIn provides a few methods for signing in, so you can choose to log in using your Google account, Microsoft account, or simply by entering your email address and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication for your account, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your identity. This usually involves receiving a code on your registered phone number, which you'll need to enter before proceeding. It's a great way to ensure that your account stays secure. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn feed. Here, to access the settings related to read receipts, your next move will be to click on your profile picture, conveniently located at the top of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will lead you straight to your account settings. Now, within settings, you want to focus on the left-hand menu and click on Data Privacy. This section houses a variety of settings that you can tweak to control what is shared and how LinkedIn uses your data. It's worth exploring these settings further if you're interested in maximizing your privacy. Scroll down through the settings until you find the Messaging Experience section. Here lies the option we're looking for. Within this section, you will see an option called Read Receipts and Typing Indicators, which is what you need to click on next. When you click Read Receipts and Typing Indicators, it will launch another set of options specific to the messaging experience. Here you'll locate the Delivery Indicators setting. This crucial setting is controlled by a toggle switch that allows you to turn the feature on or off. Sliding the toggle to the right enables Read Receipts and Typing Indicators, allowing your contacts to see when you've read their messages and when you're typing a reply. If you prefer not to share this information, simply slide the toggle to the left to turn off the Read Receipts and Typing Indicators. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed approach to customize your LinkedIn messaging settings. Making these slight adjustments can have a significant impact on how you communicate with your LinkedIn connections, aligning your experience with your personal and professional preferences. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.